Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, today I am here with the second perfect of perfect series tenses. So, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel Voice of Absar yet, please subscribe it. So, let's begin our lesson. First of all, past perfect tense. We will discuss its uses. It is used to show when an action is incomplete state in past. One thing, and the other use of it this is, but it shows that an action got ended and other got started. Two actions got started and in past. For example, first of all, we discuss this sentence structure. Simple sentence structure. Here is one clause only. He had done his work. They had fought each other. They had fought with each other, etc. But this is incomplete thought. Here we will discuss its proper structure. It is a bit advanced level structure of the past perfect tense. So, subject, had plus third form of verb plus object plus simple past. This is divided into two clauses. One clause and two clause. Here is its example. We had done our homework. We had done our homework. Here you may see that our work has got ended when mom came. यानी कि एक एक्शन मॉम का आना था एंड दूसरा एक्शन जो था वो ये था कि जो आपने कंप्लीट किया था. समझ रहे इस बात को कि वी हैव डन आवर होमवर्क, हमने अपना काम मुकम्मल कर लिया था. बिकॉज इसकी पहचान में देखो तो उर्दू फिक्रे के आखिर में चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे, कर लिया था, कर ली थी, कर लिए थे या किया था वगैरह इस किस्म के सेंटेंसेस आएंगे. सो हियर an action got ended and other got started. It makes up actually two clauses, and these clauses are you may say sometimes they are independent track and sometimes they are dependent. So let's see another example. They had left for Lahore when rain started. जब बारिश शुरू हुई तो वो लाहौर के लिए जा चुके थे. लाहौर के लिए वो जा चुके थे. ये एक एक्शन कंप्लीट हो गया, जबकि साथ ही दूसरा एक्शन उसके इमीडिएट दूसरा एक्शन शुरू हो गया. तो ये है इसका पूरा स्ट्रक्चर. ये इसका सिंपल स्ट्रक्चर है, ये इसका कॉम्प्लेक्स स्ट्रक्चर है. अब हम ये इसका थोड़ी सी इसके नेगेटिव्स पे बात करेंगे. We had not eaten food. इसमें क्या है प्लस नॉट, जबकि अगर हम इसको करेंगे they had not left for Lahore. They had not left for Lahore, यानी कि दूसरा एक्शन ना शुरू हुआ है जबकि दूसरी तरफ एक एक्शन कंप्लीट भी हो रहा है. ये इस किस्म के सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर इसके बनेंगे. इसकी आपको प्रैक्टिस करना होगी. उसकी प्रैक्टिस एक्सरसाइज आई विल डिस्कस इन द सेपरेट वीडियोस वेयर we judge all sentences comparatively and we recognize that the sentence that have been written on the board belongs to which category of tenses. So wait for the upcoming videos. Now this is its negative structure. In negative structure we have to do nothing except these changes: subject plus had, that is our actually, plus not, plus third form of verb, plus a clause of simple past, plus object, plus a clause of simple past. They had not fought when teacher left the class, or when teacher entered the class. So I think now you are able to judge it better. So now we move towards our interrogative structure of these tenses. In interrogative structure, if our sentence is simple, then we just put helping verb in the beginning plus subject plus V3 plus object and then question mark. For example, had you played well yesterday? क्या तुम कल अच्छा खेले थे? So this is the simple sentence. Now we move towards the complex structure of the sentence. In our complex structure, again our helping verbs will be in the beginning, then subject plus V3 plus object plus simple past, a clause from simple past, and then question mark. Had you done your work when your mother called you? Have you done your work when your mother called you? Had the rain begun when you moved towards airport? I think now you are able to understand this sentence. So in my next video I will discuss future perfect tense. So wait for this video. See you. Allah Hafiz.